Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm unboxing my Book Pitara package. Book Pitara is India's first bookish wellness box company and they sell bookish candles, fandom goodies, etc. And their products are actually very interesting. So if you are a reader and if you are into literature and fandoms, you will definitely find something that will interest you. This video is not sponsored at all. I have spent my own money on this, but since I loved their brand, I loved their ideologies and the way they are functioning, that's why I chose to make this video and show their products properly. As you can see, they have also provided this sanitizer sachet, which is so thoughtful. Their entire brand is very thoughtful and they're very respectful towards their audience, which I really like. And as you can see, we just supported a tiny business. I think it's definitely important for us to support tiny businesses, especially who are using eco-friendly, sustainable means. I ordered a set of 3 candles. These are wood wick candles and I'm so excited to show these candles to you guys. They are absolutely gorgeous. This set of 3 candles cost me 1465 rupees. 65 because I chose the cash on delivery option, so I had to pay 50 rupees extra. Had I done online payment, I would have paid only 1415 rupees. I think something like that. So yeah, but I chose cash on delivery because of I wanted to have some mental peace as I was ordering something for the first time from this website. So I thought that I'll go for cash on delivery for my own mental peace. Packaging is so beautiful. I love this wax seal. It just gives you such bookish vibes all over. So that's great. And as they said that they use eco-friendly things to pack their products as well. So that's something that I really like. They have talked about how they also want to substitute sellotapes with something else. So they are looking for that. Other than that, they are choosing as many sustainable and eco-friendly items to pack their products. There are no plastics over here or bubble wraps as they are not really eco-friendly or sustainable. Now I'm really sorry for the way I'm opening this because this is just how I unwrap or open my parcels. I just rip off everything. So this is the first candle. So this one is the Stardust and Stories candle. This has musk and spice fragrances. And this is a wood wick candle. I love the lid on the top. It's so beautiful. And this is what the candle looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, those small tiny glittery stars, and it just instantly reminds me of the ocean and all beautiful things basically. Moving on to the next candle, I will show you all the candles properly once I open all of them and I'll light them for you guys as well. The next one is Stay Wild Moonchild. It has cocoa, lemon and wild berries fragrances, and just have a look at this candle. These are real rose petals. They are just so beautiful, and the glitter overall, it's just absolutely gorgeous. The next one is Witch's Brew and Magic, and this has pine, cedar, apple cinnamon, all these hints. inside, and this is what it looks like. Just look at that tiny pine cone. I think that's a pine cone, I guess. And then there are some rose petals. So yes, this is what this one looks like. All these 3 candles are equally gorgeous in their own ways. I am lighting the Stardust and Stories candle with musk and spice fragrances. The best part about these woodwick candles is the crackling sound of the wood. It feels like you are right in front of a fireplace or a bonfire because of the crackling sound, and it just instantly takes you back to those books where you have read such scenes. So this was one of the major reasons why I opted for these candles. The Witch's Brew and Magic candle is one of my most favorites out of all these 3. And the reason is, when I light this candle, it feels like I am right in the middle of a forest and there are pine trees all around me, and there is this sweet fragrance of apple cinnamon. So it's just a wonderful experience lighting this candle and reading. It is just absolutely exquisite. I don't have enough words to explain to you what it feels like to read with such a beautiful candle in front of you. Finally, we have the Stay Wild Moonchild candle. This candle is so beautiful. I really love the aesthetics of this candle, and the sticker is so pretty. Plus, if you are like a moonchild, then you would know what it feels like to have a Stay Wild Moonchild candle. So this one has cocoa, lemon and wild berries hints, and I love everything about this candle. It's just absolutely perfect. Personally, I am kind of associating this candle to winters, because cocoa for me is something that I associate with winters, but then lemon has a freshness of its own kind. But I still feel like when it's a little chilly out there, when you're feeling a little cold, I think this candle will make you feel so warm and wonderful. And if you are reading a book with this candle, oh, that will be the best feeling ever, right? All found this video valuable and enjoyed it as well. If you did, then definitely consider subscribing and hit the like button so I get to know that you enjoyed the video, and hit the bell icon so you are notified with all the future updates. I post videos every week, so I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.